Good morning, everyone. This is Chris with Hotspot Metals in Chicago with a quick morning update. I wanted to point out a couple of news articles in our hotspotmetals.com news feed area. First, I want to say that if you've enjoyed the content that we upload here quite frequently, please give us a like and subscribe on YouTube. And if you're watching this on Facebook and you're a member of our Facebook fan page at facebook.com/hotspotmetals, please share this with friends and help people learn more about gold and silver from our group. Anyway, let's go to the news. We go to our menu, click the news feed, and these are the first two articles that come up under the heading of today's precious metals news and analysis. By the way, there are lots of other categories of metals related news as you scroll down through this page. It's got a lot of information there, and as I've said before, I put together this site for my own use because I needed the charts and I wanted the news all in one place, and I hope you appreciate that too. The first news article I wanted to point out for you is charts signaling gold, silver heading higher possibly. And then the second one, gold speculators sharply raised bullish bets. So let's check out what this first one is all about. And I'm not going to read these articles to you, but I just want to point out some high points here. A young man by the name of Chris Vermillion is the writer, and I've seen him before on here. But he predicts that we'll see flat to weak prices in gold and silver through April and the first week of May, setting up, according to his predictive model, setting up for a strong rise in gold and silver, possibly a very strong rise going through the end of the year. So I love to see these green arrows pointing up. I love predictions because we can always come back and check on old Chris, and I think we shall. Put a little bookmark in this and we'll just see how his predictive modeling system works. I guess we could check mid-May, early June, and then if he's right, we just won't even do our own thinking anymore. We'll just buy whatever Chris says, right? Or sell whenever he says. That's a joke, of course. And then the other article I wanted to point out for you was gold speculators sharply raised bullish bets. Now this story is one that you can check on every week, and this is called the Commitment of Traders Report. The Commitment of Traders Report comes out every week and tells you the long and short, which would mean the bullish versus bearish commitments of trades among two groups of investors. One are the commercial investors, and that would include banks. The big bullion banks are your commercial investors against the speculative investors, and speculative investors would be hedge funds and large private investment firms. So it seems that the common thinking is that the speculators are always wrong and the commercials are always right. And why is it that they say that? I think the reason they say that is because they know that the big commercial banks know more than anybody about not only what they think is going on in the gold and silver market, but maybe what they plan to do in the gold and silver market. Because a lot of the actions of the large banks really move the prices. I kind of believe that the commercials are the ones to watch. When they get bullish, then I get bullish. But sometimes this role reverses and the speculators are right and the commercials are wrong. Hard to say. It changes week by week. But the Commitment of Traders Report is something just to know about, something to put in your ear when you're gathering inputs about whether you should be buying or selling gold or silver. So I've pointed out the two articles that I'd like you to look at. I'd like you to start visiting hotspotmetals.com newsfeed link and just review some of the interesting things that you'll see here. Also, on your way out the door, check out our offers tab on our menu. If you're a first-time buyer at SD Bullion, you'll get your first ounce of silver at spot price, which is always a good idea to grab whatever spot you can with absolutely no premium. So you add that to your order, it'll automatically give you spot price on that. And if you're a returning visitor to SD Bullion, you can get one absolutely free pure silver Austrian Philharmonic with an order of 19. So, of course, these things come in tubes of 20. So you're buying 20 coins and getting one free. Again, that is an absolutely great deal, and I appreciate SD Bullion giving offers to our group like this. Possibly tonight I'll come back on and we'll do another segment. It turned out to be pretty popular last time, of shopping for silver, where we will review all of the major bullion sites, check out what the most interesting and best deals are, and maybe buy some collectibles, maybe pick up a coin or two. And for now, this is Chris signing off, Hotspot Metals in Chicago.